Okay, welcome to tutorial 4. This is the number 4 tutorial for making the Chinese knob. Okay, so for this knob that I'm going to show you is called the double knob. Okay, this knob is actually suitable for making necklace and bracelet. Okay, so for this done now, I'm going to clip the knob. Okay, it's the same as the tutorial 3. You need to join together two different string. Okay, you can use a lighter to burn it, melt it, and join together or tie a dead knot like this. Okay, now I'm going to clip this at I'm going to secure it at the corner of the board for so that's easier for me to make the knot. Okay, so for making this knob, if you are going to use it for making a bracelet, you will want to select a length which is enough or suitable for making bracelet or necklace. If you are making a necklace, you will want to select a length. For me, I'm using a longer and fatter string for easier demonstration. Okay, so first thing let's start the tutorial now. Okay, first we start off by taking the left string, and the left string we just make a simple knob. Okay, make a round simple knob, and this will goes underneath and pull it straight. Okay, this one is just only a simple knob. Okay, so you will want to adjust the knob, the length of the knob to the desirable length that you want. So I will want to make it somewhere closer to the end on top. Okay, so let's make it okay, so it's somewhere close to the top. Okay, next you will take the right string and go through the circle formed by the left string knob. Okay, and pull it through. Okay, and then you should get something like this. Okay, and next you will place the right string underneath. Okay, now it's crisscross. Let me bring it over. Okay, now I have just bring the right string underneath the right string circle underneath. Okay, once you form it underneath, okay, you use this, which was just now was the right string end, and go through here. Okay, so it goes on top the right string and below the left string circle which was formed by the knob, and you just pull it through. Okay, so after you pull through, okay, let me show it to you clearer. Okay, you now should get something like this. Okay, I will want to make some space here. Okay, so get something like this, and next you take the right string, which is this yellow string, the end of the right string, go underneath the circle formed by the right string which you made just now, and pull it straight. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so now you should get something like this. Okay, I just make it easier for you to see. Okay, should be something like this. Okay, you get a double circle knob that is interlinked to each other. Okay, so next what you want to do is to tighten this right string, which is the orange or the yellow string. Tighten it, but you have to make sure that you have adjusted the two knots to the correct length that you want. Okay, so that when later when you form the bracelet or necklace, it's is much nicer, or it actually gets the desired length or proportion that you want. Okay, so let me tighten it. Okay, and then after I tighten this right string, I will go on to tighten the left string. So I just pull it. Okay, so I should get a knot like this. Okay, so over here now I get one round, okay, one circle is formed. Okay, next we want to go to form another second circle which is below by repeating the same step. Okay, so let me secure this string again. Okay, I'll bring it up a bit. Okay, now we are going to repeat the same step again. Okay, but this time round we'll be using the, previously this orange was on the right, now it's on the left, so this orange or yellow line will be the left line, so we will repeat the same step using this orange string as the left line. Okay, so form the basic knot by making a circle like this. This one to one side and go underneath and pull straight, so we get something like this. Make sure you adjust to the correct proportion that you want. Okay, and then next take the right string, which is now the red string, go through underneath and hold it and pull it straight. We get something like this. And then next crisscross the right string underneath the left string. Okay, so you get some, okay, so you get this. Okay, okay, now take the right string, which is the end of the right string, go above, see over here is above the right string and under the right circle. Okay, secure here and pull it, right, pull it. Okay, let me make it easier for you to see. So now you should get something like this. Okay, okay, now you should get something like this. And again, take the end of the left string and go underneath the circle which you just formed using the right string. So you see it's underneath, secure, pull. Right, so now you have just repeated the first part of the tutorial which I show you. Again, you form another two circle. Okay, so same thing, we will proceed to tighten the left string. Now the left string is actually the orange or the yellow string. Just tighten, but make sure you adjust it to the correct length that you want. Okay, we prefer it to be much higher a bit, so I'm going to make it higher. Okay, make it go higher a bit so the proportion will be the same. Okay, you can make it higher by adjusting the position of the knobs. Okay, pull it higher. Okay, now I'm going to tighten it, tighten both the knots. Need to adjust it higher a bit. So once you get the correct length or proportion that you want, so over here the bottom loop, the length of the bottom loop is actually about the same as the top. You should get two about the same, and then you can proceed to tighten both the knot and the bottom. Right, so now you will get something like this, two round loop with color on each side. So over here the the yellow is on the right, the red is on the left, and at the bottom the loop, the red is on the right and the yellow is on the left. Okay, so this is what you want to get. Okay, so I just finished tutorial 4. Okay, hope you enjoyed the tutorial and continue watch out for my tutorial 5. Thank you.